Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Press the brake for me. Okay, now you can go whenever you say. Your second serious fault again on that mini roundabout.
Oh,
You did so well over there, Sophia. You
Yeah.
stopped your car, you looked everywhere, and you can see there's a car coming, and you
Yeah.
decided to go.
Yeah.
Who do we give way on the roundabout? Traffic coming from
To
your
the
right,
right.
or ahead if they're
Ahead.
coming to your right?
Yeah.
Anybody on your... You waited, you look everything, and there was only one car left.
Yeah.
And something happened and you tried to go, I have to press the brake again.
Yeah. I knew on that one and that first car, and I was just
So
like,
who are you
over
gonna
after
blame
that.
on the next one then?
Myself.
So you can't blame that car. He was coming
No.
way too slow, but you decided to go though, yeah?
No, I thought being selfish there was the right option, and it clearly was not. So
Yeah.